Welcome to Happy Hour at the Craft Bar. Tonight we're going to be featuring two different Easter projects. One is a wall hanging that you can make by upcycling a tin, and one was an Easter card that my mom created with some beautiful papers and stickers. These wall hangings, she said, were a very easy project. She did this in one afternoon. The two together, she was able to get done in one afternoon. And you had to let it dry, but assembling it, she said, wasn't that hard of a chore. She had some tins that she was getting rid of, but the lids were in good condition, and she wanted to upcycle those. I think the lids are actually from some candy tins. The tins she couldn't redo, but this she could. So she chose some pretty floral paper, and she used her edge rounder to make sure that they were able to fit nicely inside the lid. After she chose the paper in this really cute happy bunny image, she Mod Podged them down. So there is a bit of a satin finish. She didn't use the high shine, but she did Mod Podge them so they stick nice and smooth all throughout the lid, and they won't crumple up or come out in the edge, so it's all the way down. Then she chose some flowers that mimicked the colors that can be found in the images in the background. I just love this. It makes me think of a marigold. And for extra shine, she went ahead and glued in rhinestones for a little bit of extra sparkle. Then a happy bow. For the side, she E6000 some white rickrack all around the diameter of the lid, and then used a green chenille stem on both sides as a simple hanger. So an easy project. You could put this in your cubicle, on your post-it board, on your fridge even. It's nice and lightweight. And the second one is very, very similar, only different image, that happy ducky. Hello. With the yellow bow at the bottom and then stickers. And this one is like a little bit of a feather. That's fun. And she has added a bit, I think, added a bit more sparkle with a little bit of Stickles glitter glue at the edges of that satin ribbon rose. So these two, so the hardest part was waiting for the Mod Podge. So it took her an afternoon because she had to Mod Podge, but then assembled it all together. She went ahead and she said she glued things down while the Mod Podge was setting. She didn't have to wait long for it to get tacky. But she had to wait all day for that to finish, the E6000 of the stems. The card she was able to make in the same afternoon. So once she got these assembled and gluing and the glue to dry, then she turned her attention and made a card. And the back is nice and plain, but she did autograph it. On the front, nothing plain about that. Here, she's put down first the green floral paper. And she's inked that edge. Then she went back and she used the negative space from a punch as a lace corner piece in purple. So that's a tag punch. This inside is what you're actually paying for the punch. But she had this left from it, and she just clipped the corners and made those into lace, like a photo corner for her picture. That's a great way you can reuse your punches too. Use the negative side. And then a very happy bunny image with a sticker, and this sticker is like stickers she showed me in another project that have a little bit of luminescence to the wings of the butterfly. And the one at the bottom has the same thing. This yellow one has a bit. Right there, I catch the light. And oh, look, there's a little bit of a trail back here from something else. I don't know if maybe that was this sticker, but just like there's a bit of hidden shine everywhere you look on this card. So very pretty. And then you open it up. Oh, even nicer. A big giant happy daffodil with a little bit of glitter in the center. Two smaller flowers at the bottom. Happy Easter, a nice stamp. She's done that herself. And then another one of those pretty glittery and shiny with a nice sheen, those butterflies. And flowers everywhere you look. Very pretty. So happy Easter. Nice card. So with a nice purple envelope to cheer it up. So lovely. Two easy projects that you can do or get inspired for. She did this all in one afternoon. Thank you for watching today. Like and subscribe. You can get a new happy hour video every Friday. We give a little bit of inspiration, something fun and cheerful before the weekend really gets rolling.